Welcome to Profound YT. So this video is about 5 best websites for MCQ questions, and these websites are very good websites for you to pass your exams. And also I want to appreciate my subscribers for subscribing to my YouTube channel. So let's get started. But if you can see the picture of my Google Chrome, if you want to do that, well, I'll be so glad to teach you. So let me teach you before we start the website. And so you see that you go to customize this page, and when you go there, you just upload your picture. Just go to upload picture, choose the picture you want, and you just it to be uploaded. And even if you want your picture to appear on the interface, it will just appear. As simple as that. As you can see, very nice. So now the first website we're going to talk about is actually one of the best websites. I really love it when I'm using it, and I urge you guys to also try and visit that place and also use it. So the first thing is that is examvida, examvida.com. You go to examvida.com, and this Examvida is one of the best website for searching for MCQs, and I love it because I'm able to get some of the questions and explanations are also given there. So Examvida is the first website I recommend for you guys to enjoy the free MCQs, and you can log in. You can do all stuff, ask questions. You see, we have English, reasoning, current affairs, interview, computer programming, engineering. So you can choose any of these and just work with it. So you just go there. You can also learn programming. Okay, so apart from programming, you can learn English, reasoning, database. So we want to do an example, that's mechanical engineering practice MCQ questions. So when you go there, let's see how the interface look like. So you're going to choose one of the preambles there. So let's choose one of the preamble, that is refrigeration and air conditioning, or let's choose engineering materials. So when you choose that, you're going to see some sample questions, and well, when you choose the answer, it will show you. So let's see how it will be like. So they say bronze is copper and tin. So I mistakenly chose one wrong answer, and that will be, they will choose that it is wrong, right? When you do that, it's going to give you wrong answer. So you see, when you do that, it's wrong. So when you choose the correct thing, it means that's the correct answer, copper and tin. Very simple, and it's very fun to be with. Like when you are using this to learn, it's very fun to be with, and I recommend this website for you guys. That's the website I'll be using, and it's one of the best. And we can programming, engineering, and can even ask your own question. Okay, now let's go to the second website. With the second website is one of the amazing one, and I think that one too is very good to use, and that one is scholarexpress.com. So with scholarexpress.com, it's an educational portal, and it has a lot to provide. On engineering, any course you are doing, you can find yourself general studies, mathematics, a lot, automobile, question papers, civil. So I'm choosing civil so that we'll do one question there. So when you choose civil, you scroll down, and when you scroll down, you just choose construction materials. So I'm using construction materials to do that. So when you choose construction materials, let's see what comes down. So you see the questions are provided there, right? But with this, you cannot be able to choose the answers. You can't choose it, but after the end of the question, they have provided answers there that you use. So as you can see, when you go down there, you see the provided answers given to you. So I'm scrolling down, you can see it. Sorry for not doing it, but you need to do it on a sheet of paper, and after you compare your answers and you mark. Well, the first one is somehow easy to do it, but this one too, well, somehow will be very easy to use this one. So Scholar Express is the second website that I recommend to you guys. So let's go to the third one. So the third one is also an amazing website, and that one we call it is Aveto. Avertu, avertu.com, avertu.com. So with avertu.com, Averto deals with computer engineering. Mostly it's about computer engineering MCQs. You will be able to access computer engineering MCQ, computer science, anything about computer. Yeah. So with the Averto, it is recommended for the computer engineering people. Yes, that's what the Averto. So, and also you can also access general knowledge, computer questions. So Averto is recommended for what? Engineering. So the next one we're going to talk about is called the accounting coach. The accounting coach is for accounting student, that's business administration. So all this, every question here, every MCQ is for accounting students. You can get any question on accounting from this website. That is this accounting, this one. So with the last one, and that's the best one. The last one is the best one. The best one I recommend for you guys. That's what I'm using. That's why, and that one is okay. So the fifth one, actually, this is Scholar Express. That is Scholar Express. I've done it recently. Well, you can also go through this video, so you can go through again. This is, I've done this already, but well, let me do it again. As in, sorry, pardon me. So I've gone through this video already, and let me do that again. Because I really love it. Yes, I really love it, because this one you'll not be chosen, and when you choose it, you'll be able to see your answers after you mark it yourself. Yes. So the last one is Sam Foundry. The last one is Sam Foundry. And with Sam Foundry, one amazing thing about Sam Foundry is that it covers all engineering topics, and also not even all engineering courses, other courses. You see, plenty of this MCQ. You can get any MCQ you want based on the topic. This Sam Foundry is one of the best. I always use this, and I urge you to use the Sam Foundry most, because the Sam Foundry, it explains, and also it shows you the answer. Like, you choose the answer after you go to see answer, and it to what? Explain it for you. So I'm choosing one, and you see how the interface looks like, how the questions look like. So when I choose one, that is the thermodynamics MCQ. And with this, it requires internet. So with this, you see, we have this, and you have what? View answer. So you can go to view answer, and the answer will be provided with explanation. That's what I love about Sam Foundry. So Sam Foundry I love it because of this. Yes, it will give the answer, and also what? Explain it for you. And it covers a lot. We have a search tool that you have there, that the search box to search for any MCQ you like. Yes. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you liked it, and once again, I really appreciate your subscription. Thank you. Thank you.